Mr. MMO, Mr. MMC, let's get it, let's go. I want to show you guys something, guys. How I make my money. How we'll be making our money. Lifetime referral earnings. Refer and get bonus instant coins, 20% of friends earning for a lifetime. My invite code, I had that link below the description. And this is what you can get, guys. But I'm going to build up to the 50 points or the $50. What I mainly do is I do the play games or daily coins. Show you how it look, and then every time you click in and then click out, they give you a advertisement video. I don't know why, but as you can see, guys, I just bought 3 phones. You feel me? And just showing y'all that just making money online stuff for certain people, it's not a game. You know, this is the phone for this one. It's not a game, and I'm gonna be buying some more. You know, these the ones that these are the very first ones when I very first started making this journey. You know, but these I got about 4 or 5 of them that's right now ain't working. And I got other phones, you know, over there in the trap, man. You know, hold on. As you can see, man, as you can see. But anyway, let's get back to this one though, man. So you'll go there, daily bonus coins, and you'll hit that if you have it. Or you go here, this is how I mainly get all my points. My bad, sorry for the camera view. You go here, boom. As long as your phone don't lock up on you, meaning lock up like that, you'll be making money. As you can see right now, I'm making money, guys. So why not come and join? Why not go to the, you know, store and invest in a phone if you don't have an extra phone? You know, I don't want to hear any excuses, okay? If you do put anything in the comment, no excuses when it comes to this online money making stuff, man. You got smartphones, you got laptops. I don't even use this my laptop messed up, but I was gonna say tablet. I don't even use this tablet, but you can use tablets. I was just letting y'all know, man. This is how we make our money online, guys, with this app. All right. Just letting y'all know it's called Earn Money. But I had a link below the description. As you can see, you know, I do, you know, come here and do things. Cause most people like to just, you know, talk about getting you in a program and they don't do it themselves. They just want the referral bonus. You know, that's not the case with me. I do it all. I make the money by myself. I don't have to have referrals. I do this because I want referrals. You feel me? It's your boy, Mr. MMO, MMC. Let's get it. Let's go. We out. I had a link below the description. Gmail me ASAP, please, if you need any help. Just want to, you know about more making money online opportunities. And once you go ahead and buy your phone, man, let's get it.